Hey there, it's Sarah. Today, we're going to uncover the signals many men often miss that indicate a woman's intense desire for you. These cues can be subtle, hidden in her body language, the way she touches you, or even in the details she remembers about you. Don't miss out on our bonus tip at the end of the video. It's a key insight. Stay tuned for it. Before we unpack today's topic, feel like your dating life could use some expert advice? Book a free strategy call by clicking the link in the description or pinned comment. Ready to become more attuned to what she's really communicating? Let's dig in and discover these signs together. 1. Body language preening. Ever noticed how she adjusts her posture when you walk into the room? Maybe she straightens her back, pulls her shoulders back, or even slightly arches her body. This isn't just a random act. It's a subconscious move to make herself more appealing to you. Then there's the classic hair flip, or running fingers through her hair. It's more than just keeping her hair in place. This act draws attention to her face and neck, subtly pinpointing her feminine features. Each time she tucks a strand behind her ear or plays with her locks, she's unconsciously saying, "Look at me, I'm interested." Watch out for those moments when she fidgets with her clothes or jewelry, whether she's smoothing out imaginary wrinkles on her dress, adjusting her necklace, or twirling a ring on her finger. These actions are instinctive grooming behaviors. It's her way of making sure she looks her best when you're around, a clear sign she wants to catch your eye. These small, often unnoticed actions are powerful indicators of her attraction. Her body language is a silent, yet unmistakable broadcast of her desire for your attention. So, next time you see her adjusting her posture, playing with her hair, or fidgeting with her clothes, remember, she's preening for you. 2. Lingering touch. Imagine you greet her with a friendly hug, but as you start to pull away, her arms linger around you just a moment longer than expected. That extra beat of closeness isn't accidental. It's a deliberate act. She's savoring the physical connection, wanting to keep you within her embrace just a little longer, such as she puts her hand lightly on your arm while she makes a point when you are conversing with her in a group. Her hand stays there, comforting and warm, adding an intimate touch to your chat. It's not merely a passing touch. She uses this lingering touch to create a connection that goes beyond simple conversation. These moments of extended physical contact are her secret code. She's not merely being friendly, she's communicating a craving for closeness. When she holds onto a hug, lets her hand rest on your back a second too long, or keeps her touch lingering on your arm, she's testing the waters of intimacy. It's her subtle way of saying, "I want to be near you. I want to be closer to you." Next time you feel that lingering touch, take note. It's a powerful sign that she's drawn to you, craving the comfort and connection of your presence. Embrace these moments, because they're her way of letting you know she desires more than just a casual acquaintance. 3. Remembers minor details. Ever been surprised when she asks about that job interview you mentioned in passing weeks ago? Or when she brings up that tiny detail about your favorite band or your weekend plans? These moments are not mere coincidences. They are her way of showing that she's truly paying attention to you. When a woman remembers small details about your life, it means you're more than just a fleeting thought in her mind. She's mentally filing away information about you because you matter to her. Whether it's recalling your favorite coffee order, asking how your intramural basketball game went, or bringing up that funny story you shared, she's demonstrating genuine interest and investment in your life. She's trying to get to know you better with this attention to detail. She's not merely listening, she's actively participating, displaying her appreciation for your insights and experiences. She's trying to make herself known to you by paying attention to these small details, and she hopes that you will notice and show interest in her extra effort. So next time she surprises you with a question or comment about something seemingly insignificant, remember that it's a clear sign of her attraction. She's paying extra attention because she wants to be a significant part of your life. 4. Eye dart. Have you ever caught her stealing quick, shy glances at you, only to look away the moment you notice? This is the classic eye dart. It's as if her eyes are trying to communicate what her words can't. These fleeting moments are filled with a mixture of curiosity, admiration, and bashfulness. The eye dart is her way of secretly admiring you while trying to maintain a sense of mystery. She wants to catch your attention, but she's also testing the waters, gauging your reaction to see if you're interested too. When she looks at you and then quickly glances away, it's a silent confession. "I'm intrigued by you, but I'm also a bit nervous about it." These brief moments of eye contact followed by looking away are powerful indicators of her attraction. They show that you're on her mind, and she's drawn to you enough to keep sneaking peeks. It's a delicate dance of desire and caution, revealing her interest while keeping her feelings just below the surface. So next time you catch her eyes darting in your direction, don't dismiss it as a mere coincidence. It's her way of trying to connect with you, to let you know that she's interested without being too obvious. Embrace these subtle signals, as they are a window into her inner feelings. If today's insights resonate with you, remember to like and comment. More importantly, if you're ready to revolutionize your dating approach, take advantage of our free 60-minute strategy call. It's your gateway to meeting more women and enhancing your confidence. Book yours now through the pinned comment. 5. Mentions being single. Ever notice how she frequently brings up her single status in conversations? She might lament her terrible luck on dating apps, or talk about being the only one in her friend group without a partner. These aren't just random offhand comments, they're deliberate broadcasts meant to catch your attention. When she mentions being single, she's subtly pinpointing her availability. It's her way of planting a seed in your mind, letting you know that she's open to the possibility of a relationship. By drawing attention to her uncoupled status, she's essentially waving a flag that says, "I'm here and I'm looking." This kind of conversation is often accompanied by a touch of vulnerability. She might express frustration about the dating scene or joke about being a forever bridesmaid. These remarks are crafted to make you see her as an eligible bachelorette who is ready and waiting for the right person to come along, perhaps hoping that person could be you. When a woman frequently talks about her single life, it's more than just casual venting. It's a strategic move to pinpoint her desirability and availability. She's inviting you to see her as a potential partner, hoping you'll take the hint and make a move. 6. Excessive laughter. Have you ever told a joke that wasn't particularly funny, but she laughed as if it was the best punchline she'd ever heard? This is a classic sign that she's genuinely enjoying your company and wants to impress you. When a woman laughs heartily at your jokes, even the ones that are more dad joke than stand-up comedian, it's a powerful indicator of her interest. Excessive laughter is her way of showing that she's engaged and having a great time with you. It's more than just being polite. It's an instinctive response to her attraction. Her laughter is a form of encouragement, signaling that she enjoys your presence and wants you to keep talking, keep engaging, and keep being yourself. This kind of laughter is also a way for her to build a connection. By reacting positively to your humor, she's creating a shared experience, a moment of bonding over something as simple as a joke. It's her way of saying, "I like being around you and I want you to know that I'm having fun." Bonus tip: mirroring behavior. She starts to unconsciously imitate your posture, gestures, and speaking patterns at this point. It's among the clearest indicators of a strong emotional bond and attraction. Imagine you're sitting across from her at a coffee shop. You lean forward, and a few moments later, she does the same. You take a sip of your drink, and soon after, she follows suit. These aren't mere coincidences. They're her subconscious efforts to create a bond with you. Mirroring is a natural approach for people to establish greater relationships. She is trying to communicate with you through body language when she begins to mirror yours. I'm thinking along the same lines. The motivation behind this behavior is to build rapport and create a feeling of intimacy. It doesn't stop at physical gestures. Pay attention to how she starts using similar phrases or adopting your vocal tone. If you're someone who speaks slowly and thoughtfully, and you notice her doing the same, it's a clear sign that she's aligning herself with you, both emotionally and mentally. These mirrored actions are powerful indicators of her attraction. She's subconsciously trying to bridge the gap between you, creating a seamless connection that feels natural and comfortable. It's her way of saying, "I like you and I want to be closer to you." So now you know how to tell if she's desperately craving you. What's next for you? Discover 6 ways to tell if a younger woman is toxic, or learn 7 traits of high-value younger women. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.